My name's Nick. I work at Bubba's Fine Foods. We bought our machines from Zone Pack, from our multi-head weigher to the single serve or vertical machine, which produces bags like this. And we also have a rotary machine over here that does like stand-up pouches, and they do bags like this. They do about 40 bags a minute, roughly. You can pull off we do like a 10,000 bag week and a 410 week. Zone Pack's great. They've gotten us our supplies, everything we need. Anytime we're down, have a broken equipment, they get us overnight us our parts all the time. They send reps out here to help us get through our machines, get through struggling broken part. They're really good about getting back to us anytime we call them. I have nothing but good things to say about Zone Pack. Their machines work great. They require maintenance just like any other machine, but other than that, they rock.